Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete a Facebook account. First thing you need to do is to open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down, then tap on Privacy Center. Select Manage Your Accounts, then tap Personal Details and then Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account from the list. You can also delete an Instagram account here. Now tap Delete Account. Hit Continue, then enter your password to confirm the deletion. Deleting your account is permanent. If you just want a break, consider choosing the activation instead, which lets you return later. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.